good afternoon. For this 5 minutes, instead of waiting, I hope or I expect that all the participants from other state, please introduce yourself just brief introduction. So many faculty, I see you are from other state. Because our local participant, we know all these participants. At least for the 5 minutes, we can do that exercise. So Pradeep ji, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Just you can make camera on. Let it be on the record. Just introduce. Just please. So it would be helpful for further networking whenever we need any support from anybody. From this
Sir, I'm not able to make the camera on, but I can share my feedback.
Okay. Okay, please.
I don't have rights to make a camera on, sir. I'm trying
Just
to.
I'll check it. I will check it.
I'm able to do it.
Sir, why not Pradeep ji? Send now you can check, sir. Now you become organizer. Okay, now.
No, sir. It's not operating, sir.
Not operating. Okay.
Yes. Can I share my feedback, sir?
Okay, sir. Otherwise, what I feel actually feedback will take after 5 minutes. Instead of that, just you introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. No problem. Myself, Pradeep Chinde, sir. I completed my UG from Vishweshwaraya Technical University, Belagav, and my PG from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Sakrade. And after completing, I joined the Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering, Mahagav, which is affiliated to Shivaji University. From 2013 to up till now, I am working in electrical engineering department. And along with that, I worked as HOD. Then I am handling IQAC, completed NAC accreditation for our institute. Then under my leadership, I completed ISO for engineering, pharmacy college, and hospital also. And also I completed an energy audit for engineering as well as B Pharmacy College. And looking other development activities in the institution. And handling the subject related to energy conservation, audit, electrical engineering material, designing, and management subjects.
Great.
And
now K. Lakshmi Prasad ji, just K. Lakshmi Prasad ji, are you there? K. Lakshmi Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Please brief. Yes, please introduce just.
Okay, sir. Myself, K. Lakshmi Prasad. I did my BTech from SVH College of Engineering, Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
After that, I completed my MTech from BBC Engineering College, Amalapur.
Okay.
After that, I worked as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering from Swarnandhra Engineering and College of Engineering and Technology, Narsapuram.
Okay.
I am working as assistant professor in the College of Lakreddy Baladi College of Engineering, Mailavaram. It is nearby Vijayawada, sir.
Vijayawada. Great. Now, yes, G. Bharati Darshan. Please. SGBD. Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir. I'm S.G. Bharati Darshan from Chennai. I'm working in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Sri Perumbudur, as an associate professor. I have 20 years of teaching experience.
Great.
I handle various subjects. Out of my interest to know about energy auditing and management, I registered for this course.
Great.
And luckily, more field experts taken the session, so we learned a lot.
Correct. Thank you. Now, next, I think Jyoti Lingam. Jyoti Lingam. Okay, then we'll start. Khade sir, just we'll finish and then we'll see. Okay.
for this workshop, I request all the participants to give their feedback regarding this workshop.
Just before that, just good afternoon, one and all. Once again, on behalf of Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, I welcome all the participants, and I'm very much grateful to your management as well as principal for allowing you to attend this 1 week STTP on energy conservation and audit on online mode. Actually, we got this approval from AICTE almost 2 years back, but due to this for COVID, we could not organize this workshop offline. Our main intention was we were trying to organize it offline because we have huge pool of all these your resource person, that bank of resource person. So we wanted to do some audit actually, and even we had decided to visit nearby industries, and there we'll take some readings and we'll do some analysis and how to prepare report. All these things, that was the thought in the mind. But due to this COVID, and we need to finish all this your activity, the deadline is up to September 21. So we have decided to go for the on the online mode. Even there is one condition for the online mode. Whenever you got approval for offline mode, that is 1 week, here in online mode, this same program, this we have to organize in 3 phases. So this is the first phase, and during first phase, what we did already, we had initiated this activity in the month of March. So we got some registration. So we continued that registration, and we have not sent anywhere this our flyers to any group. So that registration, or already it was about 57 registration. So we thought we'll run with this 57, because again we need the faculty participants from the industry for the second as well as a third phase. So with this, I am very much thankful to chairman of AICTE, all the office bearers of AICTE for giving us opportunity to organize a such workshop. At the same time, I'm very much thankful to our honorable chairman, Dr. Rajan Patil Atraukar, who is presently State Minister at the Government of Maharashtra, our Executive Director Anil Bagneji, as well as our Vice Chancellor Dr. Pandit, Vice Chancellor of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, because they have given, always they are motivating our management as well as university authority, always motivating us to organize such different activity at our colleges. Even I'm very much thankful to head of the vice principal of our department, head of mechanical, Dr. Bhagwat sir, head of electrical, Dr. Hussaini sir, our coordinators, Khade sir, Jamadar sir, Kamble sir, as well as CD Patil sir, those who have taken efforts, pain to organize this workshop within short span of the time. So I appreciate their contribution to organize this workshop. I'm very much thankful to all this your resource person. We could rope all this your resource person because of this your pandemic only. Otherwise, it is very difficult to invite all such eminent resource person, those who are involved in all the types of energy audit activity, their implementation at their particular area. So I'm very much grateful, and because of that, we could invite them, and they have delivered very nice lectures. And this all these your presentations that come only because of their contribution to the society, to the industry in the decades. That is, so some of this resource persons are working since 4 decades, some are 3 decades. So it is outcome of their exemplary experience in the industry, as well as theoretical, whatever they studied during the different activities, different courses where they organize. So I'm very much thankful to Dr. J. Nagesh Kumarji, who has inaugurated our function and addressed the keynote address, as well as he took one session. Even I am very much thankful to J. Srinivasan. He is popularly known as JS. He is very much expert in the motor. Wherever any issue, or even whenever you want to organize his webinar lecture, you will get his contact. He is available, already has shared, or you can contact me. I will share his details so that he will deliver any one webinar at your institute. Even the Ashok, that another one is Dr. S.R. Sivrasu. He is also faculty member But he's in addition to faculty member of electrical, he is a certified energy auditor. So he has taken one session on the basic electrical engineering, and it was very nice, very informative. And another resource person important is Mr. Ashok Seturaman, who is an accredited energy auditor, because there are two categories in the energy auditor as per as the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Once we qualify this examination, then we become a certified energy auditor. And there is another procedure similar to our institution, how we get accreditation. Here also there is accreditation procedure. We have to complete some reports. After some experience, we have to submit, and there is an interview for 100 marks. The split up is also given. So some of the or most of the resource persons are also accredited energy auditor. And this our Ashok Seturaman is one of the most popular veteran this energy auditor from our group, and he has shared the contact details of the most of the other persons. So I'm very much thankful to Seturaman sir. Even Ravindra Datar sir, he is also accredited, and he has delivered talk on instruments, very minute points, the precautions what we need to take during the instruments he has shared. So I'm thankful to Datar sir. Even I try to bring the procedure of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, how to do energy audit, what are the 10 steps, and with some case studies. Now Mr. Mallikarjun is a certified energy auditor. He took session on the energy conservation in the sugar industry. That was very nice. Then N. Prakash, he is a chartered engineer as well as consultant, and he gave a brief idea about humidification as well as ventilation, because under HVAC there are number of the categories. His major emphasis is towards the bigger units where we need to do ventilation, whether we need to maintain the ventilations, that there he talk on that. Now the Shailesh Shah is a certified energy auditor, but he has given very outlook about the IoT, how it can be used to the energy conservation for the number of the applications. Then Dr. Sanjeev Suryavanshi, he is also professor at one of the engineering college in the Maharashtra. He is a certified energy auditor, and he has shown how one faculty can contribute towards the innovations. So he has shared his the patents as well as innovation work towards the solar thermal applications, which we can take help. Even we can contact him, and by that we'll get some motivation so that we can do some innovation kind of the activity. Again, Mr. G. Hariyar Iyer, he is a veteran actually energy auditor. He is an accredited energy auditor. He is at his age is 81 years, and we have seen his energy enthusiasm that itself motivates us to do some contribute some activity to the society. Then Yusuf, that is Yusuf, he is a certified energy auditor. He has briefed about the HVAC system, all the basics of the HVAC system, and different related with the HVAC system. Next, another is as per the AICTE guidelines or the mandate for STTP or FDP, there should be one session on the national education policy. So with that context, we have invited our former Vice Chancellor, Dr. V. Ramasastry, who has very nicely briefed, introduced the what is NEP and what is the role of a teacher in the coming national education policy. So I'm very much thankful to him. Next is Mr. Dr. Kamala Kannan. He is a doctorate in mechanical engineering as well as he is a certified energy auditor consultant, and he has focused, brought different applications of the pumping systems, how it can be used for the medical, commercial, and different. He has different attempts made in how to use the pumps in order to conserve the electricity. That also we saw. Then we brought the Prasad Gantade. He's from our team. Actually, how to use the instruments. He has demonstrated use of instrument. Actually, he has taken readings. There were some videos, and with that we tried to bring you that only the theoretical knowledge of the instrument is one part, how it can be used and how we can operate the instruments, that also we could see. And today's session was very good. That is T. Shankaran. He is also accredited energy auditor, and he has highlighted how up to how much we can conserve the electricity, and he has brought from the basic. He has taken references of the number of the case studies, and by that we could manage these 6 days by inviting. We tried our level best to run the program within time, within the scheduled time. Still somewhere it may get delayed because of some technical hitch. So for that, on behalf of Sharad Institute of Technology, I'm very much sorry for that, and next time we'll try to correct all this your activity. And with this, I expect that whatever the knowledge you earned, acquired during this your 6 days, that you can utilize for the energy audit of your home, as well as you can do energy audit of your institute. And for that, if you need any help, always we are ready to support you from scratch to end. No doubt some of the faculties are already doing all this your activity, and you can motivate, you can create awareness among the students so that they can do energy audit of their home. And if everybody try to conserve 1 electric unit per day, that would be a big conservation, energy conservation. And I feel that would be the outcome of our that 1 week STTP program. Once again, I'm thankful to all the participants. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Over to Khade sir.
Any participant, those who want to give feedback regarding this workshop?
Can I see, sir?
Hello? Hi, yes, sir.
Can I see my,
Sir, make camera on, sir.
okay. Yes. I'm yes, Chandrasekharan from Bangalore. I worked in BHEL. I'll just give a 1 minute introduction. Then I'll give my feedback. At various capacities, and after my retirement, I have taken up this energy conservation activities. And I'm currently a PCRA faculty and taking up a lot of awareness programs at various places all over Karnataka. I would like to give my feedback on this particular program. We are very thankful to Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering for this 1 week STTP program. Actually, I got the reference from Mr. Ashok Shetaraman. So I am very thankful to him also, in addition to the management of Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Government of Maharashtra, and all other agencies who have helped us. Now, my feedback is all the resource persons are highly experienced professionals, and their slide preparations are very good, of very good quality. They have put in a lot of efforts in communicating it correctly to all of us. And some of the videos presentations are very good. In fact, some of the things I need to go through once again at leisure time. And the institute and the faculty has readily shared their presentation in the interest of the conservation without not considering this business angle and all. They are giving that readily to us, and all of us are very thankful to them, and we will be able to go through that once again at a detailed time as and when possible from our side. That's going to be very big help for all of us. For the cause, the cause is to conserve energy for all of us. Then the faculties readily clarified all our doubts. Sometimes we even stopped them in between. They did not bother. They said, yes, we'll clarify. They also clarified the doubts which are in the chat boxes. It only displays their patience, their interest on the job, and their commitment towards the whole object of this particular workshop or this online program. We are very, very thankful to you. They have shared every detail, and they have also said that any other clarification they will be able to share it at a later date as and when possible, when we contact them directly by mail or phone according to their other, considering their other schedules and other conveniences. Overall, I can say I have never attended this type of program anytime. And I used to attend one program, 1 day program and all. This 1 week program. And I was attending all the programs with maximum attention. And my doubts in particular were clarified by the faculty. We are very, very thankful to the institute as well as the faculty. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Any another feedback?
Just one announcement, from 20th onwards, we are going to repeat the same STTP again for the faculty of mechanical, electrical, or any faculties. So those who are interested, you can create awareness so that maximum number can join for the phase 2. Over to Khade.
Anyone want to share his feedback about this STTP? Okay, moving further, that certificates. Certificates will be issued in the next week. So within 1 week, we will display all the certificates, and they are mailed to your email ID, whichever given during the registration. So it's my honor and privilege to deliver this vote of thanks for this 1 week AICTE sponsored STTP on energy conservation and audit. I thank Director of Sharad Institute of Technology, Sri Anil Bagne sir, for inspiring us to conduct such activities. I also thank STTP convener and coordinator, Dr. S.A. Koch sir, for organizing such a workshop to make an interaction with industry experts and institute faculty. I thank co-coordinator of this workshop, Dr. Hussain sir, HOD Electrical, and PM Bhagwat sir, HOD Mechanical, for their continuous support for conducting this workshop. I also thank co-coordinator of this workshop, Asif Zamadar sir and CD Patil sir, for their great efforts to conduct this workshop. I also thank lab assistants and technical staff to help us during this conducting this workshop. And lastly, I thank all participants, those who are patiently listening during this workshop and make interaction with industrial people in this energy conservation area. I thank again. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
thanks
I
a lot.
can conclude that this workshop is over.
Yes, great. Thank you.
And our WhatsApp group will be remain open. You can post any question after this workshop also. You can post any question and you can interact with that industrial experts. If possible, we can also share their email IDs and phone numbers on WhatsApp group. So you can, if you have any question, you can post on that WhatsApp group, so we can interact with our faculties also and with our industry persons, and we can solve that particular question. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Excellent.
Yes, thank you.